Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube blindfolded. For solving the 2x2 blindfolded, there is total of only one algorithm. You should remember the sticker's name only. Let me teach you the algorithm. If you do this algorithm, you swapped these two adjacent pieces. Remember, you swapped these two stickers with them each other. And this algorithm goes like this. R, U, R prime, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R prime. This is called the swapping algorithm. You should use in the real solves. Let me teach you the stickering. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. These are all the stickers. While solving the 2x2, you should look for bars like this. And the top face is blue, and now I am going to solve blue side. Now this piece should be orange, blue and white. That piece is here. If you do a DD to set up it and do the swapping algorithm, which goes like this: R, U, R prime, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, and that will be solved. Now fortunately these two pieces are solved, so we'll move on to the next phase. Here three pieces are solved. Now I am going to solve the red, blue, white piece, so that I should move the piece to the buffer piece. Do an R prime to set up this piece up to here. Swap, restore. Now I can simply do an F, swap, and an F prime to undo. Now if you get a 3 prime, that's the most easy case. You should do a F, R prime to set up it, swap, undo, and that solves. Here's another example, and here is an example. Here 3 blue pieces are here, so I'm gonna solve blue side first. The blue, red, yellow piece is here, fortunately ready to go into its place, so swap. Now actually on a 3x3, if you swap like this, you would mess up the edges. So first you should set up a buffer and swap and move the correct piece and place and undo. Now the top face. Top face one piece is already solved. So now I am gonna solve this piece using an F2 D that sets it up, swap, undo this.